front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll to hit Device Unlock. Tap on Screen Lock here and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Wait 5 seconds to choose Next. Create your login method. Hit Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it and hit OK. Then manage your lock screen notifications by choosing one of those options. Show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or hide all notifications. Whatever you decided, tap on Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!